So this is a strong and rugged smartwatch. It is the Kospet Tank T3 military-grade rugged smartwatch. There are so many features that I love about this smartwatch, but the best one for me is the battery. Would you believe that I last charged it 5 days ago, never turned it off, always connected to my iPhone during the day, with a screen brightness of 1000 nits, brighter than the average smartphone, yet it still has about 60% of battery left. This is why I dumped my previous 40k smartwatch. The battery only lasts for 2 days, and the one that I had before then, God I dare go. These are the main features of the Tank T3 smartwatch. It's a military-grade smartwatch, possibly among the strongest smartwatches you can find. It has an all-round metal-body design, built to be tough and resist harsh environmental conditions. The display is AMOLED with Corning Gorilla anti-scratch protection. It has a 500 mAh battery that on a single charge lasts about 2 weeks on average use. It is rated IP69K water resistance, meaning you can swim with it without fearing damaging it. Inside the packaging box comes the smartwatch, the straps, the charger, and a user manual that will take a whole year to read. The total cost is $131 on their website and also available on Aliexpress. Both links are in the description of this video. I have used a lot of smartwatches in the past, and one area where the Tank T3 excels is the performance. It is so user-friendly, smooth, and responsive. This is possible because it has a dual-core CPU. Every corner of the display I touch responds so fast. There are 3 buttons on the Tank T3, and unlike most smartwatches, it doesn't have a dial. The right upper button is the power and menu key. The button below it is the back or return button. Then the button on the left side is the sport key. It gives easy access to start measuring sports activities. The graphics are top-notch. The content on the display are very clear, and even under direct sunlight on a very bright day, you can still see what's on the screen with just 75% of screen brightness. Smartwatches are usually worn outdoors, if not to tell where the time is, then for exercise, so you can imagine why display brightness is so important. This watch supports 6 menu types, and I prefer this round menu over the default one. It also comes with a weather app installed, and from the reading, you can see that it says moderate rain, and yeah, it's currently raining moderately. The weather app on this watch is much easier to understand than the one I have on my iPhone. I'm not saying that the weather app on the iPhone is not accurate. It's just kind of difficult for me to understand it. But the one on this watch is straight to the point. Getting notifications from your phone is so fast. You get alerted by a strong vibration. The notifications are also displayed in a clear and easy to read font. Swiping the screen from the left to the center opens the notification home where you get to see and read previous messages. Making and receiving calls are easy and convenient. The Tank T3 saves up to 100 contacts from your phone, and you can call these contacts without touching your phone. It has a loud and clear speaker and microphone, so the person you are calling can hear you clearly as well. The first time you turn the device on, it will prompt you to download the Kospet Fit app by scanning a QR code. The process is less stressful and allows you to customize the watch to your taste using the app. Here are some things you can do after pairing both devices. My favorite is going to the device tab to change the watch face from the default setting. There are hundreds of lovely wallpapers to choose from, and if you are to pick one, you will get confused. My best option is to use my picture as a wallpaper. In this same tab, there is a handful of settings options to choose from. This is where you can initiate Find My Device if the watch is paired with the phone. This is also where you can run a firmware update for the smartwatch. In fact, as I was writing this sentence in the script of this video, the watch is being updated. It took less than 10 minutes for this whole update. When it comes to the sports modes, this smartwatch seems to be more accurate in reading my sport activities when compared with other smartwatches that I have used in the past. The way my sports activities reports are displayed makes it easier for me to understand as well. There are 178 sports recognized by this smartwatch, and I have not even heard the names of some of these sports before now. But it's a good thing because now I can just sit down and start reciting these sports to get used to them. Like number 1, stair climbing, number 2, kettlebell training. Oh boy. As for the health monitoring, there are 5 major parts that this smartwatch focuses on: heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, stress, and mood. When it comes to these readings, this smartwatch is an excellent health monitoring companion. The readings are so fast and the graphics are just amazing. Most times when I look at the watch from the bottom, I observe that the lights are on and it is actively reading something. How the watch manages to do this all the time and the battery still lasts is surprising. Just in case you are interested in buying this smartwatch, the official link to the Aliexpress store and website is in the description. Let me know what you think about the device. See you soon.